So in the last question for the planes problem, RF is given as 1 by 500, maximum length is given as 7 decameter, least count is meter. Therefore, from this length of the scale we got it as 14 centimeters. So for this particular problem, what we did, we drawn the diagram. So if you observe this particular diagram, RF is 1:500, length of the scale is 14 centimeters, main scale divisions are decameters, subscale divisions are meters. Now here, let us consider if the least count is meter, plane scale is sufficient. If least count is 1 decimeter, then how we have to do? So if you come to here, sir, this is 1 decameter, here each unit is 1 meter, each unit is 1 meter. 1 decimeter means 1 by 10th of it is 1 decimeter. Now if you observe only the left part, this is 0, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is having a very small length, but dividing it into 10 equal parts to get a decimeter is difficult. So actually it is meter. Each unit in the diagram is meter. But if I want decimeter, I have to divide this part into 10 parts. So it is not at all possible to do it. Then what we have to do? So if I want least count as 1 decimeter, that is nothing but 0.1 meter. Then what I have to do, sir? Dividing it into 10 parts is difficult. Then we are going to use the diagonal scale in this. So in this diagonal scale, what is the principle behind it, sir? Let us consider. This is 0, this is 1. 0 and 1. So this length I can't able to change it. But in the scales, the height won't have any restriction. Length will be decided by length of the scale. But height is our wish. Then for that, what principle we are going to use? Let us consider. This is 0, this is 1. What I will do is construct a rectangle like this. This is 0, this is 1. Or otherwise at the top I am going to give it as a O1, 0, 1 and 1 suffix 1. 0, 1 and 1 suffix 1, because these two lengths are same. Sir, if I want 1 by 10th of it, 1 by 10th of it, then what I have to do? So I will divide this vertical line into 10 equal parts. That is easy for me. That is easy for me. So then what I will do here, we will divide this vertical one into 10 equal parts, either you by drawing acute angle line or otherwise. Sir, this height is my wish. Therefore, for every 0.5 centimeter, I am going to draw the lines. Observe here, for every 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we are divided into 10 parts. Now here I will draw a diagonal. What is that? 1, 1, 2 bottom O. I am drawing 1, 1, 2 bottom O. So in this diagonal, what is the, with the help of this, what we can able to do, sir? Let us consider O, O1, 1, 1. Or otherwise, we will assume O dash, 1 dash. O dash, 1 dash. So this is one triangle. So here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10th one. Here I am assuming it as a 1 suffix 1, 2 suffix 1, 3 suffix 1, 5 suffix 1, 7 suffix 1, 9 suffix 1. Now, sir, here 1 dash, O dash, length is nothing but secondary unit. So in this particular problem, maximum length is 7 decameters. Therefore, how to decide the units, sir? So we know the MKS system, millimeter. Next one is centimeter, decimeter, meter, decameter, hectometer and so on. But we have maximum length is 7 decameters. Therefore, it is less than 10 decameters, means less than 1 hectometer and more than 1 decameter. So this is your maximum length. Sir, this is your, what is this? Primary unit. This is your secondary unit. So here each one is 1 meter, we got it. So your secondary unit is 1 dash O dash, 1 dash O dash. Sir, I want decimeter, sir. I need decimeter. This is my diagonal unit. In this case, it is diagonal unit. Whenever it is a vernier scale, it will become vernier unit. Vernier unit. So your diagonal unit is decimeter. Therefore, what is N3, sir? N3 is equal to secondary unit divided by diagonal unit, that is meter divided by decimeter. 1 meter is nothing but 10 decimeters divided by decimeter is equal to 10. I got N as 10. Sir, some people will have it out. Why you are divided it into 10 parts? Because N3 is 10 for this problem. I did like this. For example, not this, sir. Another problem is there. For example, FPS system inch, foot, add, chain, furlong, like this. So maximum length is given as 3 adds, sir. What is that? 3 adds. Okay. Maximum length is 3 add. So where it will fit? Here, sir. About it is less than chain, more than add. So this is maximum length. This will become primary unit. This is secondary unit. This is diagonal unit. In this situation, what is N3, sir? N3 is equal to secondary unit divided by diagonal unit. Secondary unit is foot divided by inch. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches divided by 1 inch. Inch will get cancelled, 12. So I got 12, sir. Therefore, this vertical one divides into 12 parts. Am I right or not? On that time, how much height you will take? 6 centimeters is the better one. Sir, I need 10 parts. That's why I was divided into 10. 5 centimeters I took for every 0.5. If it in this case, it is 12. 12 parts I required. Therefore, you take 6 centimeters height. For every 0.5, you draw one horizontal. That is sufficient. That is the hint. But most of the textbooks, what they will take is, they will take some height and they will inform to divide them into 10 equal parts. So that is not, it is a lengthy, it is a time taking. So this is also correct. Okay. Now, sir, I got this. Sir, with this, how I can able to get? Sir, how to get a decimeter here? Very simple. For that, sir, consider a triangle O dash 1 dash, O dash 1 dash. This is a larger triangle. Am I right or not? So this particular triangle is going to be this. This is O. This is O dash 1 dash. And another triangle is somewhere here. 1 suffix 1. This one. 1 suffix 1. Sir, this total height is capital H. This one I am assuming it as a small h. It is not in proper ratio, but here it is a proper ratio. From the diagram, what we can able to say? Capital H is equal to 10 times small h. Because this total height is capital H, we are divided into 10 parts. This is 10 times small h. Now, this particular triangle is O dash 1 dash is one triangle, and triangle O1 suffix 1. These two are similar triangles or not? So the ratios of bases and heights will be the same. Base of a smaller triangle is 1 suffix 1 1 1 1 1, and base of the larger triangle is O dash 1 dash, 0 dash and 1 dash. Okay, sir, this should be equal to heights of the triangles. Numerator is a smaller triangle, therefore smaller triangle height is O1, this particular one. Larger triangle height is this, that is O dash. So from this 1 1 1 is equal to O dash 1 dash into O1 by O dash. O dash. Sir, what is O, 1 dash O dash? That is nothing but secondary unit into O1. What is this length? H divided by capital H. That is equal to secondary unit into small h by capital H is nothing but 10 into small h. H will get cancelled. Secondary unit divided by 10. What is secondary unit? Meter divided by 10. That is equal to decimeter. So here, this is 1 decimeter. This length is 2 decimeters, 3 decimeters, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 decimeters. So we got the decimeter now. Without dividing the small length into 10 equal parts, I am taking the help of vertical height. And which principle we are using? This diagram is a diagonal scale concept, but which principle is used? Similar triangle principle. In diagonal scale, which principle is used? Similar triangle principle. How to construct this particular one? So for this particular problem, we know RF is equal to 1 divided by 500. Maximum length is 7 decameters, and least count for this problem is decimeter, and length of the scale we got it as 14 centimeters. So how we have to construct this information? If you have, we can able to draw the diagonal scale along with N1 unit required. N1 is nothing but maximum length divided by primary unit. How much we will get? 7 decameters divided by 1 decameter, we'll get 7. N2 primary unit divided by secondary unit, 1 decameter divided by meter, that is 10. Next, N3 is equal to secondary unit divided by diagonal unit, 1 meter divided by 1 decimeter, this is also 10. So I know N1 is 7, N2 is 10, N3 is 10. So how we have to draw this diagram in the drawing sheet? We'll check it out in the same video. So we know that length of the scale is 14 centimeters. So first of all, draw a 14 centimeter length. This is my 14 centimeters is the length of the scale. But how much height I have to take? How much height I have to take? Why it is 5 centimeters?
10 equal parts.
10 equal parts. That's why we are divided into, we are taking 5 centimeters height. What I have to do? For every 0.5 centimeter, we have to mark the point. So carefully mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have to construct the rectangle with this. So how it is? Here we have to draw a line. Here also we have to draw a line. Now in the last problem itself I said we have to write the information. Which information we have to write? That is representative factor and length of the scale. So what is the representative factor they gave for this problem? 1:500. For this, what is the length of the scale we got? 14 centimeters. Now this side what we are going to get? Which information we are going to get? This is decameters, this is meters, and this one will become decimeters. Sir, this is 14 centimeters, but how many parts I have to make? 7, because the total length is 7 decameter. So for every 2 centimeters, we can able to mark the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it is, we got 2 centimeters, that's why we mark it. If we get to the 1.67 centimeters, we have to go ahead with acute angle line method. So here we have to draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, And how we have to give the numbers? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is this? Decameter. Meter. Sir, this one already we are divided into 10 parts. Am I right or not? Yes, if you want, you draw the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yes. Now give the numbers as this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sir, here I have to divide it into 10 parts. But how, sir? Don't do it here. Better to do it at the top. So, how we have to do it? With the scale, take a long angle. So, go ahead with more angle. So, from here, draw the acute angle like this. For every 0.5, mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are divided this line into 10 equal parts. For that we have to mark 10 points on it. Join the 10th part with other end of the line. It is joined like this. Then we have to join. We have to draw the parallel line to it at all the points. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after marking it, we know that this is 0, this is 1. Am I right or not? Yes, sir. This is 1. All of you carefully observe. This is 1. But in the diagonal scale, what I have to do? Join top 1 with bottom 0. Top 1 with bottom 0. So the same thing I will try to do it here. What I have to do? This is most important. Join bottom 0 with top 1. Tighten this line. Draw the line. This is my diagonal. At 1 we draw. At 2 we have to draw. At 3, at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Most of the students, they will do up to this, but they will forget at 10. But you have to draw at 10 also. If you draw at 10, then only you will get bottom 9. So now you have to, what we have to do? This is 0, 1, this is 2. Don't write all the numbers. This is 4. This is 6. This is 8. This is 10. But this is in meter. And this is decimeter. Is it clear? Sir, for example, if they ask to mark 12.4 meters on it, what is the meaning of 12.4? That is 10 meters, 2 meters plus 0.4 meters. What is this 10 meter? 1 decameter, 2 meter, 4 decimeter. Is that the meaning or not? So what I have to do? First, you check it out this. 2 meters, where it is? This is 2 meters, sir. But 4 decameter, this is 2 meters. 2 meters plus 1 decameter, 2 meters 2 decameter, 2 meters 3 decameter. This is 2 meters 4 decameter. So you have to make it as dot here. So you try to draw a line here up to 1, because 2 meters 4 decameters is over. From here to here it is 1 decameter. So you have to write 12.4 meter. For diagonal scale, no need to bring it to the outside. If you bring it outside, the appearance will goes out. That's why you try to mark it here. So you give one more dimension. I will try to mark here.
17.6.
You tell me some number. So can I go ahead with 37.8? So what is the meaning of it here? 30 meters, 7 meters, 0.8 meters. That is equal to 3 decameters, 7 meters, 8 decimeters. So 7 meters. Where it is 7? This is 6, this is 7. In this line, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the point. So this is going to be 7.8. But up to what level I want? 3 decameters. So from here to here it is 3. Sorry, 1 second. So from here to here it is 3. Here to here it is 3. So this particular point you have to make it as dark. This is going to be 37.8 meters. Is it the way how we have to construct the diagonal scale? Is it clear to you? Good. To go ahead with FPS system also.